Hi, my name is Sam Sloan. I've been an online facilitator for around about 10 or 11 years now, and I just thought I'd share some design tips because I've also been an instructional designer for probably a little bit longer than that. But how, now we've moved into this online space, can we actually get the best out of PowerPoint? Because if anything, we probably need PowerPoint maybe more than we've ever done, and get away from those text heavy slides, for instance. How is it that we can make them more impactful from a visual perspective? So there's a little great tool that I have noticed a little while back, to be honest, and it's called Design Ideas, that will be on your PowerPoint deck, and when you click it, PowerPoint actually already gives you some ideas of the various different images, etc., that you can actually choose and select, and then of course if you wanted to, you can add text as well. But what if I've already got a deck that I maybe, I don't know, want to redesign or change or make it look a little bit more interesting or a little bit more modern, for instance. I've just shared this slide with you just a few moments ago in one of the other videos, but it's a good example of how it is that we can use it and how we can change it. So this is just a simple exercise, for instance, that could be used as a whiteboard or whatever it is that you kind of want to use and whatever it is that you're talking through. So we would copy that particular slide. We would then go into our board here, our PowerPoint presentation, and we would simply paste this particular document in. So use destination theme just for arguing's sake. And now of course it's into this particular slide deck. But if I click on Design Ideas now, look at what it's done. It's changed them about. You may need to kind of reposition a few things sometimes, but let's just say I decided to kind of go with that particular slide. I don't know, we may need to make that text white, for instance, just to change it and just change how it looks and just kind of reposition a few things. But all of a sudden the deck starts to look very different than it did just a moment ago. And we can do that with anything. Let's just take this particular image here. Let me copy that one. Bring this in. Destination theme again. So exactly the same thing. Click on Design Ideas. This is going to give me options in regards to, again, how do I want this one to look? And you can keep going. It takes you all the way down. You've got all different options as you start to move through. Don't know, let's just take that one. Not probably the best picture. But if you wanted to stick to a theme, for instance, and make it really consistent, then it's a lovely way of using Design Ideas. Give it a go. You can even, if you wanted to, let's just say I wanted to, let's just bring in an image. Let's just go on Pexels, for instance. Pexels.com, which is a free copyright images. And let's just say I wanted to bring, I don't know, just for arguing's sake, that picture here of this sky. I'm just going to copy that image, bring it straight into this presentation. Let's pop it on this one, paste it in there, and then I get different options here. So rather than trying to blow it up and make images all distorted when you're blowing them up, you can just bring them in and let PowerPoint do it for you. It just makes it super simple. Again, give it a go. Let me know how you get on. Just remember, stick to a theme. Make it look really visually pleasing. Really stimulate the learner's minds, if you like, using those images, and just formulate it really simply using those design ideas. Let me know how you get on in the comments below. I would really like to know. Thanks for listening. Have a fantastic day.